Hello viewers, this is a 400 watt metal halide industrial grade spotlight fixture. Well, here's the catch. I call it a spotlight because it goes up on a pole and it shines directly down to the ground. That's what I call it, is a spotlight. It's not really called a spotlight. But this thing is brand new, never been used. Still in the box when I got it. And you can probably take a huge guess on how much money I got it for. I got it for $5 at a side of the road store. I call it a side of the road store is a store or like a whole thrift shop or something on the side of the road where a whole bunch of people take stuff and they have a whole area and they sell it all. That's what I call it, is a side road store. I have no idea what they call it. Brand new everything. Brand new bulb, brand new fixture. It did not come with a photocell. I added a photocell. But I'm going to show you around it. 40 metal halide, 400 watt metal halide. There's the bulb in there. The arc tube has been striked one time. And that was the time that when I got it and tested it. Here's the back. Here's the mounting plate right there with the 3 holes. And then here's the plug that I put on it temporarily. But it's just a basic 120 volt plug. Take in volts. So, I'm going to show you the inside. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll show you the ballast, which is huge. It's very big. This has a screw and a hook. The screw is actually on there just for extra, I don't know, support to hold it on there, something like that. Once that's taken off, I'm going to go ahead and bend it down. Put the arm like this and lay it like this on its back. It's going to be challenging. Whew. Yep, that was pretty challenging. Let's go take a look at it. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and undo this hook. All right, let's show you the ballast. There's the bulb, and there is the ballast. The igniter, the ballast, and the connection terminals. This is a reflection plate, and then there's 3 different wires that lead up to a photocell. And here's the bulb. It's the entire fixture. Ceramic socket, and here's the ballast up close. I do not know the brand of this fixture. You can just go ahead and, if you know what brand it is, go ahead and leave it in the comments so I know. But now I'm going to be closing it up like that. We're going to lock this back into place. Okay. I'm going to put the camera back on its tripod. Let's do that. Now, I'm actually going to set it back up how it was. Oh, just so you know, this does weigh about 20 pounds. Probably more than that. It is extremely heavy. I should have never did that with the cord, but too late now. Let's go and fire this ballast up. Get a good look at the bulb. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. And here we go. I'm going to zoom in on the arc tube. There we go. I'll call it a bloop and a fail. Wow. Okay. I don't know if you heard that pop, but I just plugged this in and this just popped. And the fixture did not turn on. Okay. That was quite interesting. I wish I never zoomed in on that arc tube, because I could have got the shot of that popping. Well, we're going to call this a 400 watt middle halide fixture a fail video. I was not expecting that to happen, a big pop. Not at all. So, what I'm going to do is, I think it's the photocell socket, because this photocell socket, the brackets aren't connected to it, and it twists around and the wires will probably pop out. Well, that was a fail. Sorry about that. I just wish I got that pop and that spark on camera, but I couldn't, because I got that on the arc tube the entire time. That was interesting. Okay, so Electromark, I think that's the brand. So that was a fail. Very surprising. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up, take a look and see what the issue is, and make another video of this fixture turning on. That was completely highly unexpected. I wouldn't doubt if it popped the breaker, but look, I can't, you see that burn? I don't know if you can. Right there. Right there. Plugged it in, it did poof! And that was it. That's unfortunate. Let's open this thing up and I'll make a video of this thing firing up. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the fail.